Alright, good morning Informed Beauty. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your girl EuniyceMari here. Today we're going to be doing another like beauty smoothie. I'm trying to find ways, or I'm trying to make taking my beauty supplements a lot easier, and a lot of times, because in the morning time I get up, I make my coffee, or I may make a little snack before going to work. I'm trying to get back into the rotation of making smoothies, and I really do enjoy smoothies. And so I've been thinking of how can I take like my biotins and like my collagen and like, you know, my proteins, my greens, and throw them into a smoothie that can give me, you know, everything at once, versus taking it like throughout the day, versus like taking it throughout the day at different times or whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into this beauty smoothie, or just like this, how I take my beauty supplements, or I don't know what I'm gonna name this. So before we get started, if you are not subscribed, take a moment, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and share your girl with the world. And so let's get into making this smoothie. All right, so first thing first, let's jump into the supplements that I will put into, or what I'm going to be putting into this smoothie as far as like, you know, beauty wise. I usually will put my Rae Biotin liquid drops inside of my smoothie, but I actually did it this morning in a cup of water, so I'm not going to be putting this in. But typically I would throw this in there because that is very easy. It's a liquid, it doesn't have any type of flavor to it or anything like that, so it blends easily into your smoothies and drinks. And I think that's really great for your supplements, is that something that is not overpowering. So biotin, y'all know, hair, skin, nails, biotin is the base, biotin is the support of that, so have that in there. So I have my Collagen Love supplements by and I'm just going to break these up and throw them also into this smoothie. Teami's wellness powder, I actually just started using this. I love the flavor on this. Protein is the building block for the body. You guys know protein is very, very important, and this is plant-based protein as well. So having this in my smoothie is also going to give me the antioxidants and all that. So I'm gonna throw this in there, and it's a great base to give you that flavor. Now for fruits that I'm going to be using in this, we got some blueberries, antioxidants, get them in there. You have some more strawberries, antioxidants. You know, we want all the antioxidants, okay? The more antioxidants the better, right? And then we have some mangoes and some pineapple and strawberries in here that we're going to utilize. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start this. I'm going to be using my Teami's blender. This is very simple to use. I'm gonna rinse that out, put it back on this lovely stand. All right, so now what I typically do is that I would just go ahead and throw in a handful of blueberries. See, listen, I don't do any type of measurements. Your girl free balls, okay? Some people may measure things out and get all fancy. Not this girl. I literally just open things up and take from there. So we're gonna have some strawberries, we got some raspberries and some blackberries that we're gonna add to this. Okay. We also have some pineapple, so a little bit of pineapple, and this is also going to give you like all of that flavor, like all of that sweetness. Okay, a few pineapples in there. I'm gonna use water as a base for my fruit, so I'm just gonna pour my biotin infused water into here. let's make it even better, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and take a scoop of my wellness powder, probably not a full scoop, just a little bit. And this stuff smells and tastes delicious, y'all. If you never got around to tasting like the wellness powder, or you ever tried the wellness powder, it is a great, it tastes really good, and it smells really good, and it blends really easily into like almond milks and things of that sort. I do have a coupon code on this product. I will leave it above and down below for you to get your hands on it, as well as, you guys know I talked about Teami a lot, from skincare to the wellness powders to also their blender in a lot of my videos. I also have links to those down below and other videos that I've done, so check those out. So I'll put a little bit more of that in there. And then I'm gonna take my Home Nutrition Collagen Love pills. They recommend 4, actually I have some in the bottom of my Teami cup. The Teami cup doubles as a, what is it? A pill holder. So I usually keep some collagen down there for me to take throughout my day. I'm just gonna break these apart and put them right into my smoothie. There we go. And I'm only going to use 2. They recommend 4, but these are kind of expensive, so I only do 2 throughout the day. And then this is what everything looks like before it is blended. So I have everything in there before it's blended, and now we are going to blend this up. Everything is blended up. It blended up pretty quickly, pretty evenly. I'm going to pour it into a cup. Now, when it comes to these type of smoothies, you can make them how you want. You can make them as thick, as I don't know, as sweet, as not as sweet as you want. But I usually add almond milk to it as well, but this time we're just doing water because I don't have any more almond milk. And this is what it looks like. You have your supplements inside of a juice, as well as some protein in there. That tastes really good. This definitely, too, this protein bonus gives it a nice little kick to the other flavors in here. And you have everything, a quick beauty smoothie or juice in the morning. Okay, you guys, so that is a quick way on how to get your supplements into your juice in the morning, especially if you're on the go, or even like midday, like a midday juice that you may make on your own. You can always put your supplements, beauty supplements, into it and just get what you need instead of taking like multiple pills or multiple things throughout the day. Just makes it a lot simple. And so now it's time for me to go ahead, get my day started, get ready to go to work, and all that fun stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching. Everything that I talked about will be listed down below in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video.